So what you are going to do now is you are going to measure the neckline from one side of the shirt to the other side. Okay. Okay, as you can see me do. Place your tape this way. Measure from one end to the other end. So what I'm having is 16.5. So you're going to take this 16.5 now that you got from the neck. Then you now use, this is what I'm using for the neck. Some people use collar stay, which is the harder form of this paper stay. This one is paper stay that has shiny, this has a shining one-sided side. Is that okay? So we are going to fold now, then measure our 16. You know it's on fold, so since it's on fold, 16.5 on fold is 8.25. So we are going to measure 8.25. Okay, this is 8.25. So this is 8.25. I'm going to mark it. So at the end here, where we are seeing the paper marking here, I'm going to go up by 1 inch or 1.25. Then I'm going to come in by 1 inch too. Now on this side, I'm going to go up by 3 inches. Then on this side, you know we went up by 1 inch before we took this 3 inch. So to get this side now, are you seeing it? So what we are going to do here now, here is 2 inches, 2.5. So I will mark my 2.5. The reason you are doing this is because, the reason you are measuring this is because this side is always higher than the back. Is that okay? Now, we are not going to leave here like this. You know that for collar shirt, it's not straight. It's always slanted. It has that pointy edge. So I'm going to go out by 1/2 inch. Then from this point here, from this point, I'm going to join it to this place. Then you join here to your 2.5. Is that okay? So this is what you are going to have. If you want it to curve, you can curve it this way. If you want it to have a curved edge, you can curve it this way. But if you want it to remain square like this, you will leave it to be like this. Okay, so after this, we are going to cut it, and now we'll now take it to the, we'll now cut it, then we'll now gum it to the fabric. So I've taken to the sewing machine. You can see I've sewn and even trim it. Sew it round. So the next thing is for you to turn it out. So the next thing is for you to attach it to your shirt, the color of your shirt. So this is it, we are done. So actually they have two type of color. This is the easiest type. Is that okay? This one is normally called the student color. Can you see it? Student color. You can still use it for your shirt. If you don't want to go through the route of using packet shirt color, you can use this one. This one is still very, very effective. So thank you for watching.